Hello guys and welcome to the 2D Help Animation channel, a channel geared towards helping newbies find their path to greatness in the animation world. Yeah, I talk about animations, anything animations, but it's basically what we create. This channel is designed to help newbies that are getting into animation find their footing, because I was once a newbie myself, and yeah, I had my ups and downs until I got to this level. I'm still inspiring. I'm still aspiring to get to somewhere higher, but it's not bad, you know, it's not bad. I have a 3D background and I'm putting all that into 2D. I used to be a Max practitioner, 3D's Max practitioner, so to say, until I moved into 2D. And there are a lot of reasons for that, but right now we'll talk about later. Uh, you guys should bear with me. This the first time I'm doing anything tutorial. So let's see how it goes. Right now, I've got this. This was an afterthought. Right now, I've got this Superman rigged. Just a few things here and there. On this scene, I've got about 6, 7 characters, maybe 7. I don't know, but I know they're up to 6 characters in here. So I've actually rigged everything, the head, the body and all that. I just finished fixing the head, ready to be rigged and all that. And you can see there are some slight discrepancies between the head turns. When it's turning up, his head is up there and his head is down. I do not want to put plenty of detail into this animation. I have a channel where this is going to, but this other channel is designed to help people grow, to help people find their footing in animation. So over my right on your screen is my node view. The middle houses my library, color view and camera, while the left is something I don't usually do because I like the screen expanded so that I'll see what it is that I do. On my left, I have the screen, which is the camera or the camera slash the drawing. They are just screens. Whatever it is that you create is seen on the screen. This video, I'm recording to video. They are not in alignment, as in I'm not recording live to the video. This video has already been done. I'm trying to make sure it follows in sync so that I bring you guys up to speed and everything just works perfect for you guys. All right, so first thing first, animating this, I do not want to have plenty of nodes on my screen. It is tempting because I need to cut the chin and the jaw line out that I am trying hard not to do. That would be, look at this is just Superman. If you look at the smaller window of your node view, you see a lot of those cardboard things, so one for each character. So let's see. Okay, I've got 6 characters there. 6. So coming back here, that's the neck. I've rigged, just like I said, I've rigged the head. I've rigged most parts of the body, and I'm just troubleshooting, trying to see what else I can improve on. That's what this I'm doing right now, so yeah, that's the neck. The neck has its node connected to the head node. So if I turn off the comp housing the head, it will affect the neck. The neck will close. The head seems to be weird somehow. Ordinarily like this, the head's kind of big. But when it goes up or down, the sides, maybe top right or bottom left or bottom right, it is kind of like big. That I just adjusted some few minutes ago. It's kind of looking like a dwarf or something. Yeah. Maybe I'll probably adjust that back again. Okay, so as you can see, I'm zooming in to the node. Look at the node view. I'm zooming into the soup body node. That's the body node. You know, I'm trying to work there. There is a problem with that node. Like I said, this has been rigged, you know, to a large extent. It's almost finished, but I've not just set the poses, but the rig is in place. Now, if I click the body and I click the bone of that node of the body, all this pops up. This is not what I want to see. Now, when you look at this, you see two nodes controlling, two bones controlling the body. This one, which is eventually what I'll be going in. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Look at all the bones attached to that body. How did I get here? Okay, so that's where the problem is coming from. So that's why when I click the body and I say show bone, all this pops up. You know, this isn't what I want. This is not what I want. You know, not what I want. I was thinking of going with this so that I can get my body going left, right when I rotate it. But then all these are a problem. So what do I do? Still no influence on the body. Turning left, right, and all that. No influence on the body at all. So let me delete that bone. The bone group that is supposed to control the body. Delete, oh, finally it's gone. Now I'm back to the body with nothing attached. So I go to animation. Come on. Come on. Why am I doing that? Why am I doing that? All right, so I'm clicking on the pants too. Why am I clicking on the underwear? Why am I clicking on the underwear? I'm Nigerian, by the way. We are quick to call that panties. So I've turned the underwear off. You know, I think having so much characters on my PC is slowing down my system. You can see it kind of like it's slow. Anyways, I am trying to turn off everything concerning the head, and the quickest way to do that is go to the composite, housing everything head, and turn that off instead of highlighting all the nodes concerning the head and, you know, clicking go off. You know, so that has been turned off. Everything concerning the head, the neck is connected there as well, and that's why the neck is not showing. So with this turned off, I'm now focused from your library. From the library view, you can see I'm focused on the body. So I'm clicking on the hand now. I'm clicking on the hand. I wanted initially to rig, to animate this character in a composite kind of way, using the traditional and the cutout animation method. You know, I wanted both ways. animating it both ways, but seems it's not working out.